Whenever we talk about health and hygiene, there comes a word called toxin. What is a toxin? Toxin is a substance which causes harm to the body. This is a general description. But this toxin is generally secreted by plants, animals, and microorganisms. We get them through food and water because of the type of environment we are in, because we cannot set ourselves apart from the environment. If there is some pollution in the environment, we are bound to be affected by it. The intake of toxin in the body causes some kind of problem. See, when a certain amount of toxin is accumulated in the body, it does cause some kind of harm. When the toxins enter the blood, they go to the liver. The liver tries to detoxify them. If they do so, if they succeed in that, of course, the amount of toxin will be reduced in the body and will be all right. But if the amount of toxin is too high, and if the liver has not been able to detoxify all of them, and if they keep on accumulating in the body, they will definitely cause some kind of harm. The harm may be of different kinds depending upon the nature of the toxin. Usually there may be abdominal discomfort, nausea, diarrhea, etc., trembling of hands, some kind of neurological disorder, etc. These toxins can be removed from the body. How? Because we have to get rid of them, otherwise they will cause some problems. They have to be got rid of through the intake of some fluid or some stuff like antioxidants, vitamin E, lemon water, blueberries. And there are materials that are available that are recommended to use so that they can take care of, or in other words, remove toxins from the body. They can detoxify the body. There are heavy metals also that serve as toxic stuff. Heavy metals such as lead, mercury, arsenic, cadmium, etc. They are found in the soil, in certain parts of the world, in certain areas. They are found in the soil. And from the soil get into the plants and then leafy vegetables, etc. And if we happen to get them, we got those heavy metals in our system, in our body. When these heavy metals are accumulated in the body, they do cause some kind of harm. Most of these heavy metals are cations, and cations will definitely interact with certain polyelectrolytes in the body. They will interact with the DNA, they will interact with RNA and proteins, and also some structural stuff of carbohydrate, etc. And what they do is they interfere with the biochemical process. For example, if they happen to bind with enzymes, they will derail the function of the enzyme. And if they will damage the three-dimensional structure of the enzyme, if they bind with proteins, they will cause some damage to the protein, in the sense that, of course, there will be some kind of alteration in the structure of the protein.